Hey guys, so here we are at the garden. I'm going to start cleaning it up and I figured I'd take you with me. So I'm going to adjust the camera and then I will get it going. Here we go again. Oh! I don't know what that was. And there's the pumpkin. Revealed without the seeds around the weeds, I'm sorry. Look what a pretty pumpkin. Perfectly round. It's gonna be so pretty. Progress is happening. In the background I have a great helper, my husband Joe.
Hello.
He's helping, and I'm grateful. So I want to show you the soil in my boxes. So do you see the soil? It's not clay. Southern Indiana has like a red clay soil, but this soil is black like this because it's years and years of layering. So when I go like this, you can see how rich it is. Oh look, there's a worm. Look, another one. I'm always finding worms out here because the soil is rich with organic matter. And when the soil is healthy, you'll see a lot of worms. I also add to this dirt some worm compost, worm poop. And this is what keeps my soil healthy. Look at that, gorgeous. Basil. Look at all this basil. Pesto.
Tony basil?
This you don't pull. This is sage.
Oh, okay. I didn't get the peppers either. One of them was kind of damaged though. Gotta have a lot for the compost.
Oh yeah.
Now, can you put this straight in compost?
I can.
Doesn't have to like kill the seeds.
So these weeds will go on a compost pile to kind of cook and ferment down and just break down. More basil. To get a compost to work fast, you need to chop it up a little bit. You need to add an activator. That's a whole nother video. So we're making progress. Well guys, we've done a lot. I am beat. I am done for the day. Joe is still down there pulling weeds. There's a lot of work. But hey, I burned a lot of calories, so that's a good thing. Anyway, thank you for watching. Subscribe, give me a thumbs up, press that bell notification so you know when I upload again, and I'll see you next time. Bye.